So here's a check that I got for $616.79 from an affiliate program. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining how I was able to make over $600 in commissions by promoting a product using affiliate marketing. But first, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you're brand new here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so you might be wondering how I was able to make over $600 in commissions. And the way I was able to do this is because I was following a blueprint when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how it works, I have a free ebook download down in the description of this video called Affiliate Marketing Blueprints. And I basically go over what you need in order to become successful with affiliate marketing. All you have to do in order to get access to it is just enter in your name and your email, and you'll be redirected to get instant access. But if you're somebody who doesn't really like to read, I created a playlist a little while ago called Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And I basically go over everything that you need to know in order to get started and become successful with affiliate marketing. So I'll leave a card up here somewhere so you guys can check that out if you're interested. So I'm not really going to go into too much detail about how you can become successful with affiliate marketing. That's the whole reason why I created that playlist. But what I'm going to be talking about in this video is how I was able to make over $600 in commissions. So let me just go over to my computer to show you guys how I was able to do it. Alright guys, so when getting started with affiliate marketing, there's a few things that you're going to need if you want to become successful with it. So I'm going to just briefly go over what you need in order to get started. But if you want to learn in more detail on how you can become successful with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check out my playlist called Getting Started with Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. So let me just talk about the basic things that you're going to need. So the first thing is you're going to need to pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. So whatever niche that you're going to go with, I highly recommend that you pick a niche that you're really passionate about. Now, this is something that a lot of people make the mistake of doing. They go for a niche that they think is going to bring them the most money, but they don't realize how much hard work and effort that they're going to have to actually put in if they want to see results. Now, when it comes to picking a niche, I mean, there's a wide variety of different niches that you can go with. But if you want to go with the top three that are going to be called evergreen niches, meaning that they're never going to go out of style, they're always going to be profitable. The top three niches are going to be the health and wellness. The second one is going to be the make money online. And then the third one is going to be the relationship niche. Now, if you're not passionate about any of these three niches, that doesn't mean that there's not other niches that aren't going to be profitable. You just kind of have to figure out what you're passionate about and figure out a way to monetize it. So once you pick a niche, the next thing that you're going to need to do is pick an affiliate program. And I'll talk about that in a little more detail in a minute. But basically, an affiliate program is a program that has a bunch of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. So there's plenty of different free programs that you can join. And then there's also paid programs that you can join to become an affiliate for. Now, with those programs, they tend to pay you higher commissions as opposed to the free programs. But if you're just getting started, I highly recommend just joining a free program. Now, the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pick a product. So it should make sense that you're picking a product that is related to your niche. If you pick a niche that's related to health and wellness, it only makes sense to pick a product to promote as an affiliate that's related to that niche. You don't want to be in the health and wellness niche and you're promoting a product that teaches people how to make money online, because obviously the people who are in the health and wellness niche, they're not really worried about making money online. They're worried about eating healthier, maybe losing weight, and staying in shape. Then once you have all three of these, the next thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pick a platform. So basically this is going to be social media, because you're going to have to create content on one of these platforms. You're going to have to deliver value in your content that's related to the product that you're promoting or the niche that you're in. So that basically brings me to the fifth step, is going to be promoting. So you're going to be creating content on one of these platforms, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even a podcast or a blog, and you're going to be promoting your products. So let me just quickly talk about picking a platform. So like I just mentioned, there's plenty of different platforms that you can choose to go with. You can go with Facebook. You can create your own Facebook group related to the niche that you're in, or you can join other Facebook groups that's going to be relatable to the niche that you're promoting. Then you can go with YouTube. You can create YouTube videos that's focusing on the niche that you're in. If you're in the health and wellness niche, you can be creating YouTube videos that's going to be sharing tips that's going to help people lose weight, eat healthier, stay in shape. And you can just give a call to action by redirecting people to the link in the description of your video. So basically, when you pick a product with any type of affiliate program, you're going to be given a specific link, and that's going to be your affiliate link. So this is what you're going to promote in whatever platform that you're going to choose to go with. So for example, if you're creating a YouTube video delivering value about a certain product that you're promoting as an affiliate, you can do a review about that product, and then you can give a call to action. Basically, a call to action is letting people know what you want them to do next. So it can be something as simple as saying, if you want to learn how you can get started, go to the link in the description of this video to get started, and you're going to have your affiliate link for them to click on. And when they click on that link, it's going to take them to the sales page. So that's just an example of creating content on YouTube. But there's also Instagram as well. If you have a large following, you can just simply do the same thing, promote the product that you're going with on Instagram, and just have your link in the description or your bio. Or if you don't have a large following, what you can also do is you can pay influencers who don't have like a huge following, but they have a decent amount of followers. You can pay them to give you a shout out for 24 hours. And then there's this up and coming platform called TikTok. Now, TikTok is growing really fast right now. And if you're going to go with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend TikTok because it's a great way to get a lot of people to follow you, a lot of views. So in my opinion, it's a lot quicker to grow on TikTok than any of these other platforms. Now, as I mentioned earlier about picking an affiliate program, there's free ones that you can go with, and then there's paid affiliate programs. But if you're just getting started, don't even worry about the paid ones, just go and sign up for the free ones. So if you're wondering what type of free programs there are, the most common one is called clickbank.com. And this is one that I go with because it's basically like the go-to website when it comes to affiliate programs. Then there's also JVZoo. It's similar to ClickBank. Same thing. You sign up. There's a bunch of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. Just pick a product that's related to the niche that you're focusing on. And I would say Amazon is the most talked about affiliate program. But the downside about Amazon is that they pay very little commissions. ClickBank, they pay anywhere between 40 to 75% commissions, even 100% depending on the vendor. I'm not really too sure about JVZoo, but I'm pretty sure that they pay more in commissions than Amazon. But Amazon, when it comes to promoting a product, you're looking at anywhere between 3 to 10%. It depends on what category that you're going with. And I just heard recently that they just slashed the commission rates for their affiliates. So it might be even less than that. So I would highly recommend going with ClickBank or JVZoo. Okay, so what I want to talk about next is paid advertising versus creating content for free. So if you don't have a budget to spend in advertising, you're going to have to create content like I mentioned earlier. Now, there's pros and cons about using either method. The pro about using paid advertising is that you're going to see results a lot quicker, and your advertising is going to reach way more people as opposed to free content if you don't have a large following. When you have money to invest into advertising, you're going to get a lot more people seeing your content. Now, if you don't have a budget, like I mentioned, it can take a while to build up traction, and you're going to have to create a lot of content. That's why I recommend going with the niche that you're passionate about. Because if you don't have a large following, people don't know you, and they have to feel like they're able to trust you before they buy a product that you're recommending to them. So you're not going to reach as many people as opposed to paid advertising. So the method that I went with is I went with paid advertisement. I set aside a budget to spend on advertising, and it was able to get me results a lot quicker as opposed to just creating content for free. So I was actually running Facebook ads. Now, I know it can be pretty overwhelming understanding how Facebook ads work, because when I first started learning it, I felt overwhelmed and there was a lot to it. But what actually helped me learn how to run paid advertising is a program called Legendary Marketer. So basically what Legendary Marketer is, it's an online education platform that teaches you how to market your business no matter what type of business that you're in. So whether you're an affiliate marketer, you have an e-commerce business where you're selling merchandise, you have a coaching and consulting business, or you're just selling your services. If you have a business, you need to know how to market your business in order to get more customers. And that's just the bottom line. Even if you don't have an online business, you can learn the skills that this platform teaches you and go and offer those services to other businesses that don't know how to market their business online. Because there's a lot of businesses that don't know how to run a Facebook ad or ads on YouTube or Instagram. And if you learn these skills, you can provide those services for those businesses and you can earn a lot of money that way. So if you want to learn how to market your business or learn skills how to market businesses for other people, or even start and grow your own online business, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Now you can get access to this 15-Day Business Builder Challenge for only $7. So over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn how to build a high-ticket, high-profit business, and you're going to learn the 4 core business models that earn people a full-time income. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys got some value from it. And if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the video. And once again, if you guys are interested in checking out the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, I'll leave a link to where you can get access to it for only $7. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go spend this money. I think I can afford about a pack of toilet paper right now. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.